Kiki Voice is a website that allows you to design AI voices, clone your voice, as well as do any form of text-to-speech. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and what you can do is you can just upload a recording of your voice. This is a recording I did of, it's the audio for me doing a product hunt demo for Cited. For those of you who don't know, Cited is a website that, it's a product that I created to essentially help brands become more visible to AI. Anyway, I digress. So this was just the audio for it. I'm going to go into the next step. I'm actually just going to use this as the frame of reference as I clone my voice here on Kiki Voice AI. Cool. Okay, so we can see the voice source has been generated. Now I'm just going to just type in something random in here. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Let's go with something a bit more. What humanity needs to realize is that your only limitation now in the era of large language models is your ability to articulate what you want. But of course, we don't just prompt these models and blindly follow whatever they say, but rather we prompt them so that they can prompt us to take more informed, data-driven decisions in the real world. Cool, let's go with that. We're going to clone the voice now and see what we get. I'm just going to copy this just in case. Let's see exactly what we get. Okay, so I'm going to need to verify with this one-time verification, and we can continue cloning. Cool, so we've just gone with the free model, and we can see here it's going to take about 50 seconds. I'm just going to wait, and then we'll see what we get. Okay, great. So that's done now. I actually started playing this.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. What humanity needs to realize is that your only limitation now in the era of large language models is your ability to articulate what you want. But of course, we don't just prompt these models.
Okay, that was interesting. Let's take a look at this one.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. What humanity needs to realize is that your only limitation now in the era of large language models is your ability to articulate what you want. But of course, we don't just prompt these.
Okay, so that's not bad. I prefer the second one for sure. I think it captures more of the British essence of my accent. In any case, I think this is pretty cool.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Still slightly robotic, of course. I'm very much accustomed to my own voice, but I think this is a good alternative if you ever sort of need anyone's voice cloned. Of course, this should only be done ethically, legally, and morally. Potentially you may want to clone your voice for whatever reason. If you're making, let's say, content at scale, this could be part of your existing workflow. I think Kiki Voice is quite useful. They also do have a great text-to-speech model, and you have a few different voices to choose from. A lot of which are free. So definitely check out Kiki Voice if you think it would be useful for you.